Meaning of FTP.
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 FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, a standard network protocol used to transfer files from one host to another over the Internet. FTP is a client-server-based architecture, where the client initiates the transfer requests and the server responds accordingly. FTP uses two channels for transferring files: control channel and data channel. The control channel is used for transmitting commands and responses between the client and server, while the data channel is used to transfer the actual files. FTP is widely used for sharing files, downloading software updates, and publishing web content.